What is up, everyone? This is Rafe with Central Alps, the premier off-road customization shop in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Welcome back to another Will It Fit video. Today here I have a 2024 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate 2500 that we did a 5-inch lift kit on and put on some 20x10 wheels, -18 offset, and then some 38 1350 tires. And if you want to figure out how we made this fit, it does require quite a bit of trimming. And obviously, if you're going to get a kit like this, you're not going to be doing this in your driveway. So let's get right into it. We had to cut off quite a bit of this front bumper over here, but nothing too structural. It's just mostly plastic. Plastic pieces up here. We're going to just make a quick cut down all the way down to the valence. We basically take out the fender liner and then we push it back. So we zip tie it back all the way to the front of the bumper. That way you have as much clearance as possible to take that full turn when you're doing a U-turn or whatever it is that you need to do. And then when you come back over here, there is quite a bit of trimming required. So you need to take off that mud flap in the back. Any GM truck that you put a lift kit on with some bigger wheels and tires, there is always going to be some sort of mud flap delete that's going to be required. So that's exactly what we have to do back here as well. We're going to take off that mud flap. We're going to do a slight chop in the back right here, right below where this trim piece sits, this black trim piece. And then the metal right here, you're gonna chop that off. You're gonna, use an angle grinder to chop it off so you can clear this tire back there. And then same goes back here with the fender liner. You're gonna push it back a little bit to make it fit. And then yeah, just a little close up of where we have to trim. This is on the other side. This is the passenger side. So it doesn't have the engine block heater plug that you use, for the diesel engines and whatnot. So it's a bit cleaner, if you will. You just chop that down right here, and it's just all plastic on this side. With the back, obviously, you're gonna chop off the area that's right below where the mud flap bolts onto. You're gonna use that angle grinder, chop that off on this side. Other than that, this side is a lot cleaner. And then on the driver's side, where I was talking about the engine block heater, that we have to reroute it or just basically kind of create a new place for it. Most people don't end up using it, especially in Texas, but we will make sure that it's still usable. It's not gonna throw up lights on your dash, any of that stuff. That's nothing you have to worry about. It seems a little scary at first, but it's nothing to be worried about. So there is a lot of room back here to make full turns and you're good to go. It's nothing too crazy, nothing too structural. At the end of the day, it's gonna fit, it's gonna look good, and it's gonna ride really good. So right now, this customer can do a full lock on each side, and there is no rubbing at all with the trimming that we did. If you want your truck to look like this, or if you want your truck to drive like this, or if you want your truck trimmed like this, give us a call at 833-268-2577 here in Arlington, Texas. Thank you.